Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix Messenger video call problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings, then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search Messenger. Next go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn on the airplane mode or the Bluetooth mode. You can turn it off and on, and if it didn't work again, you can also try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Messenger's data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the accounts, the databases, etc. So be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.